Hello students, I am Aisha Munshi handling math subject for 4th standard. Students, we are learning our first chapter name is fractions. In this chapter we learn fractions, types of fractions, cross product of two equivalent fractions, types of fractions, cross product of two equivalent fractions, unit fractions, proper, improper and mixed fractions. In our last class we learned comparison of fractions. So students, today we are going to learn addition and subtraction of like fractions. Recall the like fractions are fractions that have the same denominator. We have seen that to compare like fractions, we simply compare their numerators. Likewise, to add or subtract like fractions, we just have to add or subtract the numerator, keeping the numerator the same. So student, study the following figure to understand the concept. Yes student, there are given two figures, two circles. Each circle is having 8 parts. This one is also having 8 parts and 3 parts are shaded. It means 3 divided by 8. Here one part is shaded and colored. It means 1 divided by 8. These two fractions denominator is same but the numerator are changed. So student, for adding this fraction we have to keep the denominator same and we have to add the numerator. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. 4 divided by 8 and in simple form 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. It means 1 divided by 2. Next one, this is example of addition. Another is subtraction. They are given two square boxes. Each box is having 9 parts or 9 boxes under in this big box. So student, this one is having 5 parts are shaded and this one is having only one part is shaded. 5 divided by 9 and 1 divided by 9. You can see numerator are same but denominators are same but the numerators are changed. 5 and 1. We have to keep denominator as it is same and we have to subtract the numerator. 5 minus 1 equals to 4. 4 divided by 9. So student, like this we are going to solve some exercise. Let's start. On page number 93, exercise number 1.4. Find the sum of following. Find the sum of following. First one is 4 divided by 7 and 1 divided by 7. Exercise number 1. Find the sum of following. First one is A. 4 divided by 7 plus 1 divided by 7. So student, we have to keep the denominator same because it is like fraction. Like fraction means fractions are having same denominator and we have to add the numerator. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. 5 divided by 7. Our answer is 5 divided by 7. Next one is B. 2 divided by 15. 1 divided by 15. 4 divided by 15. B is 2 divided by 15 plus 1 divided by 15 plus 4 divided by 15. We have to write denominator as same and add the numerator. 2 plus 1 plus 4. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 divided by 15. Next, solve one more exercise. Third example is C. 1 divided by 8 plus 3 divided by 8. C1 is 1 divided by 8 plus 3 divided by 8. So student, this is the mixed fraction. So we have to separate these whole number parts like this. 1 plus 3. Next plus, we have to this fraction part, 1 divided by 8 plus 3 divided by 8. Then we have to add the numbers, like first we have to add the whole number parts. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Next, we have to write numerators as same 8. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. 4 divided by 8. Our answer is 4. 4 divided by 8. So student, we solve these 3 problems. You have to practice these 3 and you have to solve this one with yourself in your homework book, maths homework book. Next exercise is to subtract. First one is 7 divided by 13, 2 divided by 13. Second is subtract. First one is 7 divided by 13 minus 2 divided by 13. In subtraction, we have to follow the same rules, but we have to subtract the numbers. Write the denominator as it is same and subtract the numerators. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 equals to 5. 5 minus 30. 5 divided by 13. Sorry student, 5 divided by 13. Next example is 10 divided by 19 and 3 divided by 19. Second one is 10 divided by 19 minus 3 divided by 19. We have to write the denominator as same. Then we have to subtract the numerators. 10 minus 3 equals to 7. 7 divided by 19 is our answer. Let's move on. Third exercise. Third one is 4 5 divided by 8 minus 3 5 divided by 8. Third one is 4 5 divided by 8 minus 3 5 divided by 8. How we add these mixed fractions? Same. In a same method, we have to subtract these mixed fractions. We have to separate first whole number part. 4 minus 3. Then we have to subtract the fraction part. Minus 5 divided by 8 minus 5 divided by 8. So student, first we have to subtract whole number part. 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Then we have to write the denominator as same 8. Then 5 minus 5. Here 5 minus 5 equals to 0 divided by 8. 1 0 upon 8. This is our answer. So students, we solve ABC. In this class you have to solve practice this and solve this one as your homework in your maths notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.